Today we're going to demonstrate a short example of using the if condition action in Engini. The if condition is used to determine whether a specific condition we define is met or not. Based on the result, the workflow will execute different actions accordingly. If condition is one of the most commonly used actions in Engini workflows and is a key tool for building automation workflows that control decision blocks while pulling data. In this example, we will walk through a short workflow that retrieves data from Salesforce and checks whether the output response is empty or not. If it's not empty, the workflow will move forward, retrieving customer names related to the opportunities and populating them in an array. If the output is empty, we will terminate the workflow. The workflow is triggered manually, but you can always choose to have it scheduled or triggered by a webhook. First, we use getRecords to pull some opportunities from Salesforce. Then, we apply the if condition to check whether the retrieved list of opportunities is empty or not. If it's not empty, meaning we have data to work with, we proceed to retrieve the customer names related to each opportunity. We use a for loop that, in each iteration, allows Engini to retrieve the customer name and append it to an array. If the data list is empty, the workflow will terminate due to failure, as no data was retrieved. Let's save and run the workflow. As you can see, the if condition successfully moved to the if yes block and executed all the following actions. In this case, we used a few test customers to demonstrate the process, but Engini can handle large volumes of data for your convenience. And that's it for today. I hope this gives you a solid understanding of how to use the if condition in Engini to meet your specific needs and work with relevant data. This was just a short demonstration to showcase how powerful this action can be in your workflows. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.